Hello friends, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm doing a video that is different. I'm doing a travel video, and this time I'm going to Naivasha. Naivasha is another county or state in Kenya. So I wanted to show you guys everything that is there. Following safety precautions for COVID-19 and all the measures when I'm doing this trip. So I will try my best to show you guys all the sceneries and the beauty of Naivasha. So I hope you like it. Naivasha is around 100 kilometers from Nairobi. So we left in the morning so we can see the place. We are gonna be seeing the Crescent Island in Lake Naivasha. The Crescent Island is an island that's full of only herbivore animals like wildebeest, zebras, and deer, antelopes, and animals like that, but no carnivore. Over here you can see it's a tea plantation. Tea plantations and coffee plants are common all around Kenya. It also contributes and is one of the major exports of Kenya, tea and coffee. And you can see over here there are people plucking tea leaves and cleaning up the area. There are houses that accommodate them over here, and there are tons and tons of acres of tea plantations around Kenya, so it's a very common and beautiful sight to see. Here you can see again there are so many tea plantations. This is a good place to take photos and videos because of its nice greenery and areas around here. And over here you can see there's so many tea plants and so many trees around here. Many people are scared of coming to Kenya. No one should be scared of coming to Kenya. Kenya is a very developed and beautiful country. It has a lot of tourist spots. Tourism is one of Kenya's major contributors to the economy. It's a very beautiful and nice place. Here you can see we are at the Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is a part of an intracontinental ridge system that runs through Kenya from north to south. It's a part of the Gregory Rift, the eastern branch of the East African Rift, which starts in Tanzania to the south and continues northward to Ethiopia. And it was formed on the Kenyan Dome, which is a geographical upwelling created by the interactions of three major tectonic plates: the Arabian, the Nubian, and the Somalian plates. In the past, it was seen as a part of the Great Rift Valley that ran from Madagascar to Syria. Most of the valley falls within the former Rift Valley province. So we have reached the place where we are gonna be staying. We're gonna be staying at the Savella Lodge. It's a very nice place. They are following all the COVID-19 safety measures and protocols. It's a very safe place for coming for holidays, and it has a very good package for going to the Crescent Island. If you guys wanna come here, you should check it out. I would recommend it. But that's all the time we have for the video right now. The second part of the video will be coming out soon, so just wait until then. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and share it with your friends and family so my channel can grow a little bit more. Thank you. Bye.